Solar panel warranties. What is the difference between the performance versus product warranties on solar panels? Let's start with the solar panel performance warranty. Over time, solar panels degrade and produce less and less energy, and a lot of manufacturers work on a tiered performance warranty, such as shown here. However, others work on a linear performance warranty, such as Solaria or Paymar. In which case, say you have panels that are performing at 87% in year 11. You'd be within warranty if you have Solaria. Or if you're in year 9 and at 87%, you'd be within warranty on a tiered system. In both of these cases, you'd be able to file for a performance warranty with the manufacturer. The solar panel product warranty is a guarantee on product material and workmanship and covers any defects such as solar panel shattering for no reason whatsoever, or if you take a look and you find debris underneath the glass such as insects, string, whatnot, or your solar panels are not producing any energy whatsoever and you've checked for the most common causes and nothing came up. In this case, you have a manufacturer defect and you'd be able to file for a product warranty with your manufacturer. To learn more, go to renvu.com in the links below this video.